try it out. Well, we are getting it. We got here yesterday, me and Jessica, see with all the limbs we was cutting, so I'm waiting till after the day, and I'm gonna push all them up, and all that'll be cleaned up, so we'll have to get closer in there. Yo, he is, brother's having to pick up all kinds of limbs out there. I guess I can go and see if I can see any to pick up. I'm ready to just see if it's gonna wrap. See if I can see his indicator and see where he's at on it. Oh, we're getting close. Got to be fixing the route. Yep, here we go. Yay or nay? Oh, must be a nay. Well, it wadded up, but we don't know because the roller under there had some scars on it, and Daddy was going to smooth that up, and I forgot about reminding him, and he didn't say nothing, so didn't either one of us do it. So we're gonna try to wrap this one with string and then get that out, and I don't know, we may have to just do the whole thing with string and then try again. let me see if we can get this out. See where all this is wadded up in here? This is where we at. So let me see what we can do. Look, Jessica's getting in on all the action after work. Do you see that look? And then she don't like the camera on. Look at her. She's all smile for me, Jessica. I've lost count. Let's just say we're gonna call it 45. I don't know. So, there's a roller under there that kind of helps catch that net and get it going. And it had a bunch of burrs on it from where we've been cutting it out and all the other issues that we were doing. So file it and fix it, and we're finna give it another whirl. Oh, there it goes. See, moment of truth. I see dust flying in the back there. Nope. No, it did. It did wrap, but it didn't.
That told me it did.
It did. There's wrap. How many wraps you got it making?
I don't even know now. Should be 2 wraps on it.
I don't know, but there's wrap right there. It did.
I look like it does. Let me check and see what it's doing.
We're gonna eventually get the kinks worked out of the situation. One, 2 points. That don't make no sense. And it wrapped. It wrapped, but it didn't wrap. See there? Well. Hey.
I'm gonna put it on 2.5.
Yeah.
And next time I'll stop and check it before I spit it out.
Okay.
If we see wrap on it, we can just spit it out. I mean, he showed me wrap.
Okay. Oh, let's see. Y'all are dusty. It's wrapped. So let's see. All right, do we have success? Success. It's a little funny shape, but it's there. Good deal. That's what it's supposed to look like, guys. Whew, that there's a little wet. It's muddy, actually. It's a little wet, ain't it? Over.
Wet. I get wet on the tires. I don't need to quit.
I don't know. Well, we got it fixed. We'll wait till tomorrow. Now feel this. Look, it's mud. It sucked mud up in there.
You can go get. Well, I need to fill that other out of the way. I think there. You can go get the Kubota, and you can pick this bale up.
Yeah, it's pushing pretty easy.
Well, I know, but you can pick it up and sit it over here.
Yeah.
When I pick this up out of the way, I ain't got to pick up nothing now. I reckon I can back up and just get over it. And then you can take them forks and lay them down like this.
And just push it, yeah. Yeah, I know. That's what I thought about going and getting it a while ago.
We got to move this one anyway, so it's heavy.
I will, yeah.
It's heavy.
Well, if we won't wait till tomorrow, we can wait till tomorrow now. It's fixed. I think that other while ago, it was just, it had to get one more out of its system.
Maybe so.
Round Baler has tried patience.
I went 2.5.
I would leave it there.
Leave it there too. That's muddy.
That's what I said. It must suck some mud up over on that edge. So you got mud under it right now. So that sucker is tight.
Oh, don't let me hit that bale. Let's back up.
All right. Well, guys, I don't know. We finna bale anymore because it's not that a lot of the grass is wet, but like over there where it was wet at, it's some of that grass we're picking up. So I think we're good. It's 6:30 in the evening, so we're gonna call the wraps for today on that. So we'll finish the baling tomorrow. But anyway, if there's a bright side, seems that we have the wrap fixed.
Okay, I was just gonna show y'all. I'm gonna start leaving it in these pans to cool because I've done got so much over here dumped up. But let me show you what we have. This is all the bowls of corn. And it's going to take it a little while to cool because we were baking with the pans that we had and then dumping it in these big silver pans to try to let it cool. This pan is almost ready to bag, but it's sitting under the ceiling fans and sitting right here near the little window air conditioner we put up here for when we get the house heated up front. So, but anyway, this is the one I just pulled out of the oven, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is about 3 in here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 7 more pans to bake. So I'll get 1 more of those in the oven, and I have 2 more. I have 2 in there cooking now. So we will take our quart bags, and we've decided that quart bags are really and truly better because, like my little 93-year-old aunt that was here and she was helping us today, we'll only put her 1.5 cups of corn in there to cook. And for our family, then we'll take and put 2.5 cups. And then if we have a big family get together with everybody, then we'll cook 2 bags. But we'll take, after this cools, and we'll bag it up and we'll write on it the date, and we'll number them to try to keep up with how many bags of corn we end up with. But it'll be a long night because I'll probably be up till probably 1, 2 o'clock in the morning. But it's well worth it. I know a lot of people think it's a lot of trouble, but you can't go to town and buy corn that tastes like this. All right, well, this is just another check-in from our Day of the Corn, so I just wanted to give y'all another little insight. Thank y'all for watching. Okay, so I was going to let y'all know, it's about thumbs up the outside. Everything has to be cleaned up, everything has to be washed. So we've got all the ice here, like the last buckets of cobs that's got to be thrown away. So after we get our mess cleaned up out here, then go back in the house
They're getting the last of the corn cobs from corn day. I guarantee you they have well enjoyed corn day. I think it was right around 500 ears that we done today. I have to ask Mama if she knew the exact count, but I want to say it was close to 500. So what? And of course, here comes Brownie. No. All right, guys. That's everybody with their corn.
Okay, we have one bowl that's ready, and this is what we do. I'm gonna go on and do my little ants some first. So it's 1, and then a 1/2 cup. It is, I've never used hefty bags, I don't remember, but that's what they had down there, so that's what I got. But you put them in your bag, and you zip them up, and you make sure that they're good. And then we write on ours, it's 1.5 cup, and today's date. I'm just going to put the month, and this is the number 1 bag. Okay. We're going to get her a few more in here. Now hold it up, squeeze all the air out of it, and then I zip it tight. And then we do that and just repeat it as long as we have corn. And of course I'll change and I'll do 2.5 cups in a few minutes. But I'm going to do some of hers right now and get them. These little bags have a pleat. How about that? I had to get my freezer ready, so I've got a flat place to lay them. Bag up, pick it up. And we're just going to repeat it. But here in Louisiana, this is our little country way of doing things. And I know people do it all different ways. But, you know, this is the way I was raised by my mama. My mama was an amazing cook. She was so good. And she was so good to us to be able to cook at home. And she just let us cook. And she let us experiment as long as we cleaned up our mess. So, anyway, we're gonna just keep going and get her about 10 bags, and then we'll stop and I'll start bagging the others, and then we'll see how many I'll bag, you know, 10 of them or 20 of them. It's going to be more of us with these. But anyway, that's just a little bit of what we do, and that's how we finish it up. All right? Thanks for watching. Okay, I'll see the bags of corn I'm bagging. Well, I'm still bagging. And got lots more to do. I want to show a little more. I've already bagged 13 bags of 1.5 cups. So I'm going to go ahead and get her to 15 before I start the others. It just takes time. Lots of time. You know, the outside, you think all the outside is the hardest part, but it ain't. All that, you still got a lot of cooking, a lot of cleaning. And be bagging till wee hours of the morning, I'm sure. Alright, and this one is going to be number 14. And it's going to be 1.5 cups. And it's going to be, today is 6/24. So I get another one, will be 15. And then I'm going to put these in the freezer. And hopefully they'll freeze. But I'm going to start putting all of them in there as I go. So maybe some of them will have time to freeze before I get the others put in there. But I have a whole lot of corn to bag. So if any of y'all have ever done corn before, if y'all have done it different, or if y'all tell me what you do. Tell me how you put up your corn. Tell me if you think this is too much trouble, or if you would do it, or if you wouldn't do it. It's, you know, I've done it ever since I was a little girl, because my mom and my dad always grew corn. They put up corn, and I just happened not to marry a row crop farmer. My husband is a machinist, and so he builds motors, and then we have cattle, and we do hay, and that's been our way of life, and you know, that's what we want. We've worked hard to buy land and have us some cows, and this is still just the stuff we like to do, and it's important. My grandkids love it, my son loves it, and my daughter and her kids, and you know, it's just important tradition to keep going, to let them see good food. You have to put some work and some effort into it, but it's important that we can do this for ourselves. Alright, but anyway, just wanted to give you another little update. It's 10:34 here, and I've got still 3 pans of bacon and about 5 more to go, and I've got about 5 big pans cooling, so it's going to be a long night. See you guys later. Okay, good morning. I just wanted to let y'all know we got through with the corn, and we ended up with 73 bags. I had my aunt some bags. I fixed her. She had 18 bags with a cup and a half, and then the rest was all 2.5 cups. But I wanted to show y'all how it looked. This is not all of it, of course, but it's a lot of it. Show you the corn. And that's how it looks in my freezer. So it's got to freeze. Everybody we'll divide it all up. But anyway, that's our corn. And it took me all night. I took an hour's nap letting stuff cool, and then I got back at it. And I'd get up and bag some, and then I'd lay back down, and I'd rest a little bit, then I'd get back up, some more would be cooled, and I'd do it. But anyway, it's been a long night. I look horrible, but the corn's done. Y'all have a great day. Bye.